Hey, Alex here with Terra X. Today we are going to be installing the Xplate to the Overlander X. So what you will receive is the Xplate, of course, two of the mounting blocks, two square nuts, two washers, two smaller screws, two larger screws, and two alcohol wipes. So first thing you want to do is, or let me say it this way. First thing is, if your bracket doesn't sit all the way down on the back, if it's lifted up, then it's not installed correctly. Then you should reinstall the bracket. But anyway, first thing you want to do is clean the outer areas. Oh, now I can't get the alcohol out here. Of the Overlander X upper brackets. Make sure that it's very clean. Don't have any like plastic conditioners, waxes, or anything on there. Make sure you do both sides really good. Okay. Then you're going to let this dry. Okay, that's dry. Then you got your mounting blocks. You have a right one and a left one. Set them in, just do a dry fit. The taller part of the block needs to be towards the Overlander X. So what you want to do is you want to remove the double-sided tape. I'm just going to throw that down there. And then you want to slide the block in. Make sure you don't have any contact yet with the plastic. Just slide the block in, guide it until you're all the way to the back of the bracket, and now push down. Simple as that. And now repeat this on the other side. No contact with the plastic, slide in all the way and push down. Extremely simple. So what you want to do, and I need to, I can't say that enough, is you want to let your double-sided tape activate. And you want to do a minimum of 72 hours. This will give you 100%. Today we're just going to install it really quick, but I prefer if you guys just leave it sitting like this for 72 hours. Okay? So next thing you want to do is take your square nuts and slide them actually in. You might need to take a tool and push them kind of like in the middle. Do it over here. This time we don't give you a tool because you already got a tool when you bought the X, the Overlander X, and we don't want to get too many tools in the lane field. Okay, so you have that. Then you want to take, the smaller screws, and you have those two open holes in the middle. There's two of them. So you want to take the screw and slide it in, and maybe take a tool and push it in as well. Take the next one. I like to do it with a tool like this. Just get it in, yep. And then you want to take a washer, hold the screw and slide that washer on from the back like this, and then just let it rest. Same on the other one. Maybe, oh, here we go. Yep. Let it rest like that. Then you want to take your Xplate. Let me actually move this really quick. You want to take your Xplate, kind of like rest it on your blocks, but don't push it against the screws yet. Center it out where it needs to be, and then slightly bring it back to where the holes of the Xplate line up with your screws. And then you want to start tightening the screws just a little bit. Oops. Okay. Let's get them a little bit more. So when you start tightening your screws up, you want to watch out to know when you need to stop tightening the up is you want to watch this corner right here, and I'll show you guys. When I start tightening these up, when this corner, can you see, Jenny? When this corner is starting to lift up, what's happening right now, then this is tight enough. Actually, you see, now we did it. All right, then we'll let it back down. And the same on the other side. I'm just going to repeat that. Okay. So when this is done, then you're going to take your other larger screws. Make sure your square nut is in the middle. And you just start tightening this up. And the same on the other side. That's it. Just give it a little wiggle, see if it's nice and snug, and yeah, you're all done. I like to put my components on before, of course. You can mount your radio on there, your charge, if you have another charge hub, etc. Do it before you install the plate, and yeah, enjoy your Xplate.